Hi friends, welcome you educational platform. Today we know 100 most essential GK. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Answer A. Indira Gandhi. Who was the first woman Chief Minister in India? Answer B. Sucheta Kripalani. Which is the largest state in India? Answer B. Rajasthan. Which is the smallest states in India? Answer C. Goa. Who is the first citizen of India? Answer A. President. Who is the second citizen of India? Answer A. Vice President. Who is the third citizen of India? Answer B. Prime Minister. According to international standard, what is the distance of marathon race? Answer A. 26 mile 385 yards. Who is said to be father of Indian space program? Answer C. Vikram Sarabhai. What is the total number of characters in the Hindi alphabet? Answer A. 52. Who is the composer of the Indian national song? Bande Mataram, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Option B. Which of the following was Indian first mapping satellite? Answer A. Cartosat 1. What is the national song of India? Answer Option B. Bande Mataram. What is the national flower of India? Answer B. Lotus. Who is the first female Chief Justice of India? Answer B. Fatima Bibi. The slogan Maro Firangi Ko was given by Mangal Pandey. Option D. Madrasa are the school of which caste? Answer Option C. Muslims. The amount of light entering the eye is regulated by which? Answer B. Iris. Whose period is called golden period of Mughal architecture? Answer C. Shah Jahan. Which of the following is a Hindi script? Answer is Devanagari. What is the name of the longest river on the earth? The Nile. Option C. What is the name of the fastest animal on the land? Answer is Option D. Cheetah. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constitution of India? Option B. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Ball pen function on which one of the following principle? Option C. Surface tension. What is the smallest ocean in the world? Answer C. Arctic Ocean. What is the highest mountain in the India? What is the highest mountain in India? Answer B. Kanchenjunga. Which is the largest lake in India? Answer Option A. Walker Lake. Who built Red Fort in Delhi? Answer option B Shah Jahan. USA, what is the currency of it? Answer A dollar. What movement is the relationship of do or die? Answer Quit India. When we celebrate the Indian Post Day? Answer 9th October. Who composed the Indian national anthem? Answer option D Rabindranath Tagore Jana Gana Mana. Who was the first female IPS officer in India? Answer option A Kiran Bedi. Where is the Walker Lake situated in India? Answer option D Jammu and Kashmir. Who is the first Indian Field Marshal? Answer option A Jamshedji Manekshaw. What is the height of the three wooden stumps in cricket? Answer option C 28 inches. Which type of lens is used in the camera? Answer convex lens. The currency note are printed in Nasik. Option B. Jaspal Rana is related to which game? Answer option B shooting. Which is India's highest sports award? Answer is option A Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Who is believed to have built the Konark temple? Answer B Narasimha Deva. Full form of EVM is Electronic Voting Machine. Who was the founder of Tughlaq dynasty? Answer Ghayasuddin Tughlaq. Option C. Full form of modem. Answer modulator demodulator. Full form of RDX. Answer research development explosive. Who is considered the father of sitar? Answer Amir Khusro. Option C. Hindi Day is celebrated. Answer September 14. Option B. Bihu is one of the most popular dance of which Indian state? Answer C. Assam. Yahoo, Google and MSN is? Answer A. Internet sites. Which is the widest river in India? Answer B. Gomti. IBM is the complete form of? Option B International Business Machine. Which of the following biosphere reserve was the first to establish the Government of India? Option B Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. What is the longest river in India? Answer Ganga River. Option B. Which state in India called Land of Five Rivers? Answer B. Punjab. Who act as the channel of communication between the President and the Council Minister? Answer D. Prime Minister. What is the length of a word in a computer? Answer bit. Option B. What is the purpose of the assembler? Answer option C. Converting assembly language into machine language. Who was the first woman Lok Sabha Speaker of India? Answer Meera Kumar. Where is the Pushkar Lake situated in India? Answer Rajasthan. Option B. How long does the earth rotate in a circle? Answer option C. 365.25 days or 3. Who among the following founded the city of Ahmedabad? Answer option C. Qutb Uddin Ahmad Shah. Who were the first issue gold coins? Answer option A. Indo-Greeks. Who was the first Governor General of Free India? Answer option B. Lord Mountbatten. What is the magnitude of the earthquake measuring machine? Answer option A. Richter scale and seismograph. Where and when did the first underground train in India start? Answer option C. October 21, 1984 in Kolkata. National Youth Day is celebrated on which date of the following? Answer option A. January 12th. On what date is National Army Day celebrated? Answer option D. January 15th. On which date is the National Sports Day celebrated? Answer option C. August 29. The first Indian player to take a hat-trick in Test cricket? Answer option A. Harbhajan Singh. In which year did the India win the World Cup for first time in cricket? Answer in 1983. Which cricketer is known as Rawalpindi Express? Answer option C. Shoaib Akhtar. Which player makes the first double century in one-day cricket? Answer option B. Sachin Tendulkar. Who is the first Indian batsman to score the triple century in Test cricket? Answer option A. Virendra Sehwag. Which country is known as the birthright of a cricket game? Answer option B. England. Rocket dash work on the principle of? Option D. Conservation of linear momentum. When suddenly brakes in the moving bus, the passenger sitting fall in the forward direction, it can be explained by whom? Answer Newton's first law. Option B. What is the main cause of soil erosion? Answer option B. Deforestation. A near sight defect is used in the person's eyeglasses. Answer concave lens. Option D. Non-metals are the helper of electricity because they are not free from electrons. Option A correct answer. What energy is found in dry cell? Answer option C, chemical energy. Who is the inventor of gravitational rules? Answer option B, Newton. Who discovered the television? Answer option C, John Logie Baird. Rubber balloon filled with hydrogen breaks off in the air because air pressure decreases. What energy is there in the key lock? Answer potential energy. Which one of the following states has the longest coastline? Answer option C, Gujarat. What force does it take to remove cream from milk? Option A, centrifugation force. Who was the first Indian to get selected in ICS? Answer option C, Satyendranath Tagore. Raindrop is spherical. Raindrop is spherical due to surface tension. Who is known as the father of Indian environmental science? Answer Ramdev Mishra. Option A. Which is the biggest thermal power plant in India? Answer option A, Vindhyachal Thermal Power Station. What is the frequency of sound waves in the audio compound? Answer option A, 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz audible sound range. The filament of the light bulb is made up of which element? Answer option D, tungsten. Where is the first fully digitalized post office located in India? Option C, New Delhi. The light with the lowest wavelength? Answer option D, purple color. Rainbow is caused by? Answer reflection and refraction. Option D. The color of the sky appears to be blue due to? Answer due to scattering of light. Which is the highest in India? Answer Kanchenjunga. Bathymeter is used to measure ocean depth. Option C. In which language original Lok Sabha debates are printed? Option D, both Hindi and English language. The Chief Election Commissioner hold office until they attain the age of? Option B, 65 years. Thanks friend, completely watch my video. Thank you.